One thing that I want to talk about today is the people who hate on buying nice things. Okay, so here's the thing. You can have an opinion. You can tell me that the things that I buy are stupid. You can say that the things that other people buy are stupid. But here's the thing. Buying nicer things in life, it's supposed to motivate you to do better. It keeps you driven because now you have to financially compensate for those items, which makes you go harder, which makes you uncomfortable, which makes you push to that next level. And also the people who say that buying nice cars and getting a big house and buying watches are dumb is because it's not for small-minded people. Small-minded people think like that. They think about saving money. And my friend Troy brought up a good point. It's like, what's the point of making money and saving it when you're not going to spend it? So I really want to touch that home right now because I know a lot of you are so attached to that amount in your checking account balance. But the answer to your questions on leveling up is by simply holding yourself accountable to make more money, to put more processes in place, to hire more people, to delegate, to grow a real business. And how you do that is by just putting yourself not in a hole, but like just getting, putting more money into your business that right away is not going to come back right away. You have to make that long-term play that's going to hold you financially accountable to make sure that you actually do the work and make sure that people are actually doing their due diligence and their job inside your business. Because if anything falls apart, that's on you.